In previous video, we discussed about trigonometric ratio of some specific angles, and we proved sin 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. Tan 60 degrees is equals to 1 by root 3, and cos 45 degrees is equals to 1 by root 2, and sin 45 degrees is equals to 1 by root 2. These are all we discussed yesterday. But this is very difficult to remind every time, so that we can prepare the table by using some shortcuts, that's all. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, and divide with 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, that's all. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and divide with 4, and keep the square roots like this. Am I clear? And this is my sin theta, and this is my cos theta, and then this is my tan theta. 0 by something? 0. Am I right? Square root of 0 value is 0. Sin 0 degrees value, here I would like to write 0, 30 degrees, after that 45 degrees, and 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Oh, so sin 0 degrees value is 0. Very simple. Keep in mind 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and divide with 4, 4, and 4, and 4. And keep square roots and find the value of sin. Find the value of sin. 0 by something? 0. 1 by 4. Square root of 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. I told you so many times, this is nothing but power 1 by 2. And this is 1 by 2 whole square. These two get cancelled. We get 1 by 2. Very simple. Square root of 1 value is 1. Square root of 4 value is 2. We can do like that also. Very next one. 2 1 are 2 2s are from this one. This is 1 by 2. Square root of 1 value is 1, and you write it down square root of 2 as it is, because you are not able to find the square root of 2 value. When you are coming to your root 3 as it is, and square root of 4 value is 2, and 4 by 4 is 1, square root of 1 value is 1. This is a way to remind the all sin specific angles. Sin of specific angles. Sin 0 degrees value is 0, sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees value 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees value root 3 by 2, and sin 90 degrees value is 1. When you write the reverse, we get the cos value. This is 1, right? Write it down. After that root 3 by 2, and after that root 1 by root 2, after that 1 by 2, and 0. These are my cos values. After that, my tan value is very simple. This is divided with this one, we get the answer. But why we are dividing? I will give small explanation about why we are dividing these two gives tan values. Everybody knows this is my right angle triangle. All trigonometric ratios are derived from the right angle triangle. This is my ABC triangle, suppose, and this is my theta. Sin theta is equals to opposite side AB by hypotenuse is AC, and cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. When we are coming to tan theta, by definition, opposite side by
Edges.
So AB by BC. I just divide with AC on both the denominator and numerator. Both denominator, numerator. Or numerator and denominator divide with hypotenuse. AB by AC divided by BC by AC. These two get cancelled. Again we get to AB by BC only. By using some logic, I retain these two ratios. These two ratios are we can see in this board. See, sin theta is equal to AB by AC, and BC by AC is nothing but BC by AC is nothing but cos. So AB by AC is nothing but sin theta. The next BC by AC is nothing but cos theta. Therefore, tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. This is equals to, we can write in terms of sin by cos. Very important formula. Tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta. Therefore, this value by this value gives what? Tan values. 0 by something, 0. This by this. I would like to explain. This by this, 1 by root 2 is divided by, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided with root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Why? 1 by 2 into its reciprocal multiplied by this, 2 by root 3. 1 by
root 3.
Similarly, 1 by root 2 divided with 1 by root 2 gives 1. Because both are same and both are getting. Here, this and this get cancelled. See, root 3 by 2 divided to 1 by 2. Its reciprocal multiplied by
2 by 1.
2 by 1. It reciprocal multiplied by that. 2 get cancelled. Here we get root 3. And then something by 0 is not defined, keep in mind, not defined. This is also denoted with infinite symbol. Okay. Now I have every value. By the help of some logic, we written all these things using a small logic. This is not really correct. Yesterday I proved every value. Therefore, now we are coming to some problems on it. See, evaluate the following. The first one is sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. See, the first question from this 11.1 exercise.
11.2.
Sorry, 11.2 exercise. Cos 45, come to here. This is my cos 45 degrees. 1 by root 2. Sorry, first sin 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2. The next one is cos 45. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Denominators are same. Write it down as this. Only one denominator. 1 plus 1, 2. Now rationalize the denominator. Root 2 by root 2. 2 root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2, again 2. 2 get cancelled. That value is equal to
root 2.
Am I clear? So this is the one problem. Now coming to the next problem. Very simple. If you know the table, we can do every problem from this exercise. Yeah, coming to cos 45 degrees divided by sec 30 degrees plus
Cosec 60.
sec
60.
Okay, now listen. Cos 45 degrees, everybody can easily write from the table. We pick the value and take down. Cos 45, already explained. Cos, this is my 45 degrees. 1 by root 2. Just listen, okay? Now, this is sec. I told you have sec values here. This sec values are not here. Now, its inverse ratio, I know it. cos 30. See, cos 30 degrees value how much? Root 3 by 2. Its inverse ratio is sec. Sec 30 degrees. Its inverse ratio, reverse it, 2 by root. So in place of, I can write 2 by
Root.
plus as it is written. Cosec values not there in my table. That's the reason its inverse ratio is
Sine.
sine. Sine 30 degrees. Okay. Sine 30 degrees. 1 by, sorry, 60 degrees. Its inverse sine, here I have 60, I will try to take 60 degrees. Sine 60 is how much? See, sine 60 degrees, root 3 by 2. Okay. Now I will coming to cosec 60. Its inverse ratio 2 by root 3. I will write 2 by root 3. Now write it down. 1 by root 2 as it is divided by 2 plus 2, 4 by root 3, because these denominators are equal. Now its reciprocal multiplied by this 1 by root 2 into root 3 by
4.
4. That is equals to root 3 by
4 root.
4. This is my last. We can solve remaining problems in the next video.